What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be making vanilla Oreo cake, and it's super easy to make. All you have to do is just follow the steps, and then you'll have your own Oreo cake. So first, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need crushed Oreos, like this, crushed Oreos. And these are the vanilla version of the Oreos, but you can use any kind of Oreos you like. And then you're gonna need to crush them like this. And you're gonna need to separate the cream from the Oreos. And if y'all are wondering how much Oreos you need 28 Oreos. And all you have to do, if y'all don't know how to separate the cookie from the cream, just open it like this and just take a spoon, just scrape it up like that, scrape it, and then just add the cream there, and then there you go. That's all good. And then you just crush these and then just add it. Alright, so let's get started. Oh yeah, and you need a 1 cup of milk too. You're gonna need 1 cup of milk, and you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and you're gonna need something to like a tray to put it in, and something to mix with, and a whisker is better because it mixes well. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what we're gonna need to do is add the crushed Oreos. Alright, and then you're gonna need to add some, you're gonna need to add some milk, 1 cup of milk, the 1 cup of milk right here, and you're just gonna add it to your Oreos like that, and then you're gonna add the cream right here. So we're gonna just add all that stuff right there, and then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking powder right here. So yeah, and then after you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon, then you're just gonna take your whisker and then you're just gonna mix it all up. You're gonna mix all that stuff up. And also, after you mix it up, you're gonna need to microwave it for 5 minutes. You need to microwave it for about 5 minutes, and then the cake will be ready. And and to make it better, you're gonna need to melt some chocolate and then put it on top, just to make it better. But you don't have to. But for this video, we're gonna melt some chocolate and then we're gonna add it to the cake. But right now, we're just gonna mix for now, but we'll see you after we're done mixing. Alright guys, we'll see you after we're done mixing. Alright guys, so now we're done mixing, and once you're done mixing, it'll look like this. It'll look something like this. And if it doesn't look like that, just keep mixing. You just need to mix properly. Alright, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. Just like that. We're gonna put it in the oven. Just like that. Or as you call it, the microwave. And now you're just gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. Alright, and there we go, guys. So now we just wait for 5 minutes and then the cake will be ready. But meanwhile, we're gonna melt some chocolate in the meantime, and
by the time we melt the chocolate, the cake will be done. Alright guys, we'll see you then.
Boom, guys. Alright, this is the final result of the cake. Wow. Like, look at this cake, guys. Like, it's so fluffy, like, feel it. Y'all have to feel it, bro. It is so fluffy. And to decorate it, we're gonna be adding chocolate syrup just to decorate. And this is gonna taste really good. Hey guys, what's your favorite Oreo flavor? Is it the vanilla, the chocolate, or is it the strawberry one? But like, I mean, like, I like the chocolate, but the vanilla is good too. Alright, okay, there we go. Alrighty, guys. Alright, there we go. Whoa, alright. So, here's the cake, guys. Dun dun dun. And now, we have to take a bite out of it. Okay. Dang, this thing looks sick. Alright. Ready? Well, I'm gonna take the one that has a lot of chocolate on it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Dang, this thing is soft. Alrighty. Alright. Now we have the piece right here. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is actually really, really good. Like, I'd rate it like a 9.5 out of 10. Like, this is really, really good. Wow. So guys, yeah. Here's what the cake looks like, guys. Here's what it looks like. There it is, with all the chocolate on it. And yeah, guys, that's the final result. And also, I'm sure your cakes will be tasty too. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cut another piece. But for now, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And turn that post notifications on so you never miss when we post another cool video. And that's all I got for today, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!